ikut ini.
We're finally here. Well, we've been here since last night, but it's the following day today. So we endured a 24 hours flight. There were 2 planes, but we got at 11 at night. So we spent around Kuta area, which is super close to the airport. It actually was like 5 minutes away from the airport. The transition was super smooth. And then after that, we spent the night there, and then we had breakfast, and then we got picked up by the people from the hotel, or the person from the hotel, and yeah, we're here. We're super excited. The travel was really interesting because I think like all throughout the way it was just really interesting to see like very intricate designs of them. I feel like this is like a haven for like interior designers because there's so many like sculptures and just like the furnitures and the way they design it. We didn't go to the store specifically, but then on the way there were so many vendors that you could see that, like how they have the design. So it was just really fun. And so far, Balinese people are super sweet. They're so humble. It's almost like they're too nice, and like you just, I don't know, it's like I guess we're not used to that seeing in the States. It does, I was partially raised in the Philippines, so it does remind me a little bit of back home. There's definitely an overlap in terms of the influence. Yeah, what do you think, babe?
It's very nice, very beautiful over here, very relaxing. People don't honk at everybody on the road.
Yeah.
Food is good.
And then so that was we spent a night over the hotel, and then now we're at the second location, which is by the where you see the elephants, and I'll do like a quick room tour. So that's going up to the room, and then once you come in, I'm taking a video. Once you come in, come on in, babe, so you can see the room. You can walk faster. Once you walk in, there's a desk. There's the bed right here. And really cute. So the funny thing is, this package, it's called like the honeymoon package. We're not on honeymoon. Alex and I are not married. We're not engaged. And I told him specifically that we're not. But I guess like somebody had missed the memo, so everybody's been congratulating us with the honeymoon, even though we're not in a honeymoon. And me and Alex just laugh about it. So they have a design. I got the package because there's so many activities included. It was just cheaper, but yeah, and it wasn't cheaper, but it does make sense. Well, yeah, if you got the whole package, it's much cheaper. Anyway, this is a small kind of like nook area, right by the bed where our stuff. That's the closet. That's a picture of I don't know. And then there's the study table. There's a TV right there. There's the bathroom. Want to walk in the bathroom? They have really cute flowers. It's really echoey here. Okay, not the bathroom there. That's the toilet. This is the bed. There's the nook and everything. And then, once you walk out, so this is the reason why I want to go to Bali. This is like the amazing reason why I picked Indonesia, because of this. So once you walk out, so this is the lounge, and then you get to see the elephants. They're everywhere. It's so exciting. I just can't hide it. So yeah. I'm really excited. Bye. So we're just chilling in the room right now, and Alex really loves fruits. Like, this kid, it's like, if fruit could be life, that's definitely be his life. So part of the package, I think it was supposed to have a fruit platter, which I didn't think like was such a big deal. I knew like he loved fruit, and then he was reviewing the itinerary, like the little thing that he looked up, and he was like, "There's supposed to be a platter." I was like, "I don't see a platter." I was like, "I'm gonna go call him and make sure that there's fruit." So yeah, so he got his fruit, so he's super happy. I thought this is like a documentary session kind of like vibe because he's super happy. Right, babe?
Yes. At least our pool is right here.
The pool is right there. I feel like we're going to like the jungle.
Technically are in the jungle.
No, we're not. Look how green it is over here. There's an orchid. Hear that? It's like nature calling. Oh my god, look at that fish. It's so freaking big. Holy crap. What is that thing?
Big elephant! So hot.
You don't want to feed him?
I do, but not yet. I'm okay. Look at yo, they're just like going.
Come on.
No, go then. Hi, babe.
Hey, baby.
What'd you think of we just came from the talent show, and now we're like by the elephant nursery. So they're supposed to be babies, but look how big they are. They're pretty big, right? But they're so cute. They eat everything. So what we learned is that most of them are actually chained up, which is, it sounds pretty sad, but they're actually said that they're chained because they eat everything and they ruin everything, and they do really ruin everything. No, like they eat anything on the ground. It's kind of funny and cute. Well, it doesn't say there's no feeding elephant from your room, so I think we're fine. You like it? How do they train you to deal with the elephant?
We did a tranquilizer
Uh-huh.
and big truck.
Oh.
When the elephant come out from the jungle in Sumatra,
Mhm.
the elephant trainer hit them with a tranquilizer, made them a bit sleepy, and then we tied up them, and then we pulled them on the truck.
Oh wow.
In Sumatra.
They're from Sumatra, not from Bali. Take 1 year at least to train them.
Yeah. Sumatra, that's in Indonesia, no?
Yeah,
See,
3,000.
they're from Indonesia.
Yeah, 3,000 kilometers from here.
Oh.
That's not that far.
Yeah. Only 5.59 on the truck.
Wait, so you
Three
catch
out.
them from the wild?
Yeah, because the farmers try to kill them.
Oh, the farmers are trying to kill them?
Yeah, because elephant eat the farmer crop.
So they kill them?
Because the farmer think elephant is a big fat. They try to put the poison in the food and kill the elephant. That's
Oh,
why
no.
the government have no choice, catch them and then trash them. But they have problem. They have not enough budget for all of them. Some elephant have not good treatment because not enough money.
Mhm.
This company is owned by Australians.
Mhm.
They rescued the elephant from the government camp,
Yeah,
not from the wild.
that's nice.
And here they survive because you guys. Without the tourists, maybe the company will be bankrupt. They
Yeah.
have no money to look after the elephant. So where you came from?
U.S.
That sounds far.
Yeah, it's very far. It's 24 hours flight.
Where about in US? In New York?
Yeah.
Wow, you got biggest spider there.
Spider.
Spider-Man.
Yeah.
I see on TV. And here we like it because lots of tourists camp here. When quiet, at least we have 100 tourists camp in one day.
Oh wow.
We lucky when busy season as well. Because when busy season, more American camp.
Oh.
The favorite tourist here is American, Russian, and Australian. And European as well. Because they're the most generous tourists in the world. American in the top. That's a good thing, walk in this company. Walk with the elephant, that's the very special thing.
Mhm.
Lots of generous tourists coming, that's the lucky thing. You know, got the longer track. Special for you. Because you're a bit thirsty. Usually we go shortcuts there.
Oh.
But we need petrol. So we need to go to pit stop. Pit stop station.
Oh my god, I thought we were gonna go there.
Nah, so just drink it.
Oh.
Usually the people you see,
Yeah.
go that way. So you got the longer. For how many days you gonna spend your time here?
10 days.
In this company?
No, just 2 days.
Yes,
It's
today.
3 days, 2 nights.
Okay. Good petrol, Yanti. You think this is quite nice park?
It's very nice.
Yeah, very well organized.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
have good boss.
Most important.
Yes.
Nice weather today.
Beautiful weather. It's a beautiful night. Something can do. I love you, baby. In the merry. Then say no, 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 no. It's a big koi fish.
They're very big.
Yeah. I think they're good for dinner.
I don't think so.
Yeah, nice and fat. Barbecue koi fish. Maybe that's gonna be expensive. That's why they're not for dinner. Oh, beautiful sky.
That elephant is big there.
I
This
know.
one.
The
This
one
one
right
That,
bigger.
that,
No, the one with the one horn right there?
Oh yeah, you have good eyes. That one big one. A very good eyesight. We prepare your dinner here.
Very good.
Yeah. So did you enjoy your ride?
Yes.
Thank you for riding on Yante with me.
Thank you.
Let's do Yante, American taxi. Full leg drive with organic emission.
Dinner time. I can't see you. Hello from Bali. So this was our official first day. We did get home last night, but it was so late, so we couldn't really go around Bali. So this was like the first full day. So we started in the morning. We went from like the other hotel, and then we came back. They picked us up from Kuta area to Ubud area, and we stayed at the Elephant Safari Park Lodge. When we first got to the hotel, it was a little stinky, which should have been expected, but it wasn't that bad. I think after a while you just get used to the smell of it, and then we just walked around the park. The park is huge, and then we just walked around. We went to the swimming pool, and then we kind of just like straightened out our itinerary for the next 3 days with here, and then we got picked up from our hotel by an elephant. So that was a lot of fun. I was looking forward to that. I was really upset that I wasn't really that upset, but I was really upset that that Alex couldn't take a video. I didn't take a video because the elephant was coming. I was able to take a video of other people, but yeah. And then we did the night safari and then the show. So we did the afternoon show and then the night show, which was kind of the same, but obviously different time. It was good. And then the night safari, did you like it?
It was okay.
Yeah, I mean, because it was so dark. I guess, like, if you have done the day safari first and then know kind of, like, what going through it, it's fine. But then we didn't know it was, like, our first day here, and that's what we did, the night safari. So you couldn't really see. I mean, you could tell there are a lot of, like, trees and leaves and everything. See the whole thing. But in general, I think elephants are so cute, and they're so sweet, and they're so mellow. They are really heavy, though, because we were walking around and then they do this thing where you can take a picture next to them and just kind of like feed them. They're very aggressive with food. Not as aggressive like in a bad way, but they're so cute. What do you think of the elephants, Dad?
Cute creatures who love to hug with their trunks and who will take food by any force necessary.
Alright, it's not that, but like, I think it was a good day. What do you think, Dad?
Great day.
Alright, so that's it for tonight. Tomorrow it's gonna be a packed day with adventures. We're gonna go river rafting, we're gonna have breakfast, and then morning base with elephants. And I think we're getting a massage. But yeah, keep you updated. Bye!
Bye.